How to delete your search history on Brave. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clean or delete your search history on Brave browser. So let's go. First thing we do is we go to Brave browser. As you can see, let's just search for something. Okay, I will search for Google. Now I want to remove this search history. First thing, you go down below to those 3 points here and click on them. Sorry, click on those 3 points and go to history, and now clear browsing data and clear. And that's it guys for today's video. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching till the end. Thank you so much.